What's up, Matterporters? I cannot begin to tell you just how excited I am about this new trim tool. I can't wait to show you exactly what it can do and how to use it. With that in mind, let's check out what the trim tool can do for you right now. So if I'm looking at my model, you can see here, I went ahead and scanned the outside a little bit. And with that, of course, I scanned the tree and it creates this kind of messy environment that I would love to clean up. Beforehand, what I would have to do is use something like the trim marking in Capture in order to get rid of this, but that is a vertical trim only and will get rid of a lot more information than what I want to get rid of. So in this case, I just want to get rid of the tree and keep the sidewalk. So let's check out how we go ahead and do this. Right over here is the trim tool at the bottom of your tool palette in the Showcase Editor workshop. And you can see that I have floor 1 and floor 2, and right now it's a 0 out of 10. Currently, there is a limit of 10 boxes per floor, and every box that you create is associated with a specific floor. So I can only create boxes associated with either floor 1 or floor 2, but not yet with both floor 1 and floor 2. So let's go ahead and check this out. If I look at the dollhouse from this angle, I can select floor 2 here and see what kind of mesh I need to trim away. And I can also select floor 1 and see the type of mesh that I need to trim away from this view. So let's go ahead and take care of the tree. This should be really simple and straightforward. Down here, just click the plus button. It moves me into the side view automatically, or I can look at the top view. It already selected the side view, so I'll just stick with that. And I'll drag the first corner up here and drag the second corner down here so that make sure I get absolutely everything that I want to get without getting this area down here that is the sidewalk and front yard. Then what I want to do is tap the top, and you can see that I don't have the tree, so all I need to do is grab this and make sure that I cover the entire tree as well as this information over here. Now, before I get out of here, I just want to go into the 3D view and make sure that I have everything and that nothing else was left out. I do see that there's a couple mesh bits right here. So I'm going to go back into the top view, pull this out even more, and back into 3D. Now it looks like I'll get some of this as well, back into top. Make sure I get it all. Pull this over, back into 3D. Okay, that should have gotten everything. Again, keep in mind I'm only affecting the mesh that is captured and associated with the first floor. So once I have that, I'll check over here, the green check mark. And now I want to go to floor 2. Go over here to floor 2. I can also select floor 2 from the floor selector right down here. So again, I just press the plus button right here and move this in order to select everything. Go back to the top view. I'll zoom out a little bit and make sure that I have everything in my box. That way I know it's covering everything in all 3 dimensions. So now I should have everything and hit check. If you're not happy with how a trim box looks, you can just come right up here and click the 3 little dots right here, hit delete, or you can rename it to something that makes sense so it's more easily found later on. Unlike the other tools in Workshop, the trim tool does not require you to publish the changes. So once you have that trim box all set up, that's how your visitors are going to see the model. And that in a nutshell is trimming in Workshop. I hope you found this information helpful and enjoy trimming your digital twins.